You're cruising down the coast, top down, sun hitting just right. And suddenly you realize something. Mercedes just killed two of its convertibles and replaced them with one car. Yeah, this is the 2026 Mercedes-AMG CLE 53 Cabriolet. And honestly, this might be the most confusing AM they've ever built, in the best way possible. Because on paper, this thing shouldn't work. A hybrid AMG convertible that's supposed to be sporty, luxurious, daily drivable, and somehow kinda adventurous. That sounds like marketing nonsense. But once you actually look at it, Mercedes might have cracked a code nobody else has. Let's start with the design, because Mercedes did not play it safe. This doesn't look like a soft, relaxed cruiser, it looks angry. That AMG grille up front basically says, "Get out of my lane," and the slimmer headlights give it that sharp, almost predatory stare. The car sits wider and lower than the old C-Class and E-Class Cabrios, and even parked, it looks like it wants to launch. Drop the soft top, which opens in about 20 seconds, and suddenly this thing is pure main character energy. City, highway, Sunset Drive. Yeah, it eats. Now under the hood is where people usually get nervous, because hybrid. But relax, this isn't some eco-friendly snooze fest. Mercedes paired a turbo inline-six with mild hybrid tech, and the result is exactly what AMG fans want. Quick launches, smooth power delivery, and that deep AM growl, just cleaner and more refined. It's calm when you're cruising, but the second you step on it, it fully wakes up like, oh, you wanna play. It feels modern, but it still feels like AMG. And here's where things get weird, in a good way. This AMG convertible has off-road style drive modes. Yeah, I know how that sounds, but hear me out. Rain, snow, rough pavement, gravel roads. This thing handles sketchy situations way better than older AM Cabrios ever could. So if your road trip takes a turn, or you pull off towards some random beach house path, you're not sweating it. No, it's not a G-Wagon, but it's way more versatile than anyone expects. Inside, it's pure Mercedes luxury flex. Massive digital screens, clean layout, everything angled toward the driver, so it feels focused and intentional. The seats are sporty, but super comfortable, with heating, cooling, and that neck-warming air scarf that makes top-down night drives actually usable. Ambient lighting wraps around the cabin, and at night, yeah, it looks insane. This is the kind of interior that makes you take the long way home on purpose. Now let's talk pricey, because yeah, it matters. The CLE 53 Cabriolet is expected to start in the mid-$70,000 range in the US. Not cheap, but compared to the older C and E-Class AMG convertibles, you're getting more tech, more performance, and way more flexibility. And when you line it up against BMW and Audi rivals, this thing doesn't just compete, it feels more thought out. So yeah, if you want a performance car you can daily, road trip, cruise, and still flex in without trying too hard. The 2026 Mercedes-AMG CLE 53 Cabriolet is absolutely one to watch. Drop a like if you enjoyed this, subscribe for more car content, and let me know in the comments, would you daily this AMG, or is a convertible still just a weekend toy? I'll catch you in the next one.